Welcome back, friends, to Average Joe's Barbecue. In today's episode, we're going to be doing a smoked deviled egg. Perfect appetizer for game day. Got the holidays coming up. Great side dish. You're not going to want to miss this. Stay tuned. Welcome back, friends. So very simple prep today. In front of me I have 6 hard-boiled eggs. You just cook them like you normally would. And then we're going to be sticking them on the grill today. Today we're using the Grill & Grill Silverback. We're going to be running at about 180 degrees, and we're going to be using apple wood. You want to use a more milder wood I found with these. Some of the harsher woods like oak and mesquite doesn't complement this very well. So I would definitely recommend apple, con, some kind of fruit wood would work well with these. So we're just going to go ahead and stick these in here. All right, we're going to let that run for an hour. So I'll bring you back in an hour. Stay tuned. Welcome back, friends. So it's been about an hour. Let's give these things a check. All right, you can definitely see the color. Looking good. Now you're going to get a little bit of the grill marks on the bottom, but that's totally okay. All right, go ahead and get these pulled, and we'll meet you back at the prep table. Stay tuned. Welcome back. All right, so we have these eggs pulled. Now we're just going to go ahead and get these simply completed here. Now I think we've all done deviled eggs before, and these can be done any number of ways. My recommendation is do what suits your family. So first things first, we're going to go ahead and get these things cut in half. And get all these yolks out. Once you have them all kind of scooped out, kind of get them all mashed in there a little bit, and then you kind of add whatever you like. But this is the way we do it in my house. So first, we're going to start with some mayo. Use your favorite brand, and I always like to use a little bit less than what I'm going to use, because once you go too much, then it's over, and you have to start over. So I got about 4 tablespoons here, so we're going to start with that. Then I got some coarse ground mustard. And again, do it how you like. I got some dill pickle relish, liquid drained. And then I have about 6 pieces of smoked bacon. And if you need to know how to smoke bacon, I have another video on that. Check that out. But it's just smoked and chopped. Go ahead and get that in the mix. See, that consistency is just right where we want it. That. Yeah, this smells really good. You can smell the smoke just wafting up. All right. Once you have it mixed in, just start dolloping it in there. And then here, we're going to garnish with a jalapeno slice. And that's it. So, now that we're here, got this done, let's go ahead and give this a taste. crunchiness of the bacon. A little bit of zip on the jalapeno. That is really good. That is really good. Folks, if you're looking for something a little bit different for your next gathering, highly recommend this. And if you like what you saw here today, consider hitting like and subscribe. Otherwise, folks, I'll see you next time. Take care.